I think my package is here. Let's check it out. There it is. I've been waiting for you. Well, it's here. All right, guys, my Shopify counter is finally here. I ordered this about 2 or 3 days ago. I saw it on a TikTok video. I think it's this video right here. And I knew I wanted to get one right away for my office. So let's go ahead and get right into it and unbox it. But if you guys want to order one yourself, the link will be in the description down below. It's a little pricey. I am Canadian, and although Shopify is located in Canada, there was customs fees on here. So there was $38 in customs. So just be aware of that if you are ordering. But let's go ahead and get right in the unboxing. Let's go ahead and open this. Now, the video that I saw on TikTok, it came in a lot smaller box. So I'm curious if this is double boxed, which if it is, that's good, because that means it's protected. But let's see. Yeah, so I was right. That big box, just for this tiny box. Let's get this guy out of the way. And there we go. So this is the Shopify counter. Let's open this guy. All right, another box within a box. That's good though, it means it's packaged well. All right, guys, there we go. The Shopify counter. Nice little box here. Get shit done, make it count. And let's go ahead and open it up here. I have my laptop here just so that we can actually connect it and show you guys it working right away. So first things first, we got some awesome stickers right here, which will probably go right on my laptop here, which are awesome. We also have a little setup card, which tells you how to set this up and stuff, which I already did a few, there's actually a video on their page to look at it. So I know a little bit of it, but I'll probably have to refer to it as well as the, I guess here are the instructions as well. All the serial numbers and stuff, but I'll have to get a look at that into it. But here's the actual counter, guys. Looks like we got a microfiber cloth here. And of course we've got power supply here, which does come with multiple outlets, adapters. So if you guys are from Europe, United States or whatever, it comes with every single adapter here. So you guys don't have to be worried about that because it actually comes with every single one, which is awesome. Now let's actually pull out the Shopify counter. So there it is. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let's go on and peel off the packaging. Oh baby, isn't that awesome? So that's it right there. Obviously it's not plugged in right now, but we'll go ahead and plug it in here in a second, and we'll actually get that the order showing up here on screen. So that is that, and that's honestly it for the packaging. There's just some foam inside there, so if you want to keep the box and like maybe travel with it, it's honestly a pretty nice box. But yeah, that is the counter there, guys, and I'm gonna quickly go ahead and get it all connected here on my laptop, just so you guys can kind of see it up in the works. So it does works for your sales and your orders. So you can either display your sales amount here or your orders, but we're gonna be doing with the orders. Let's go ahead and get that connected, all right? Also, I wanted to show off the thing a little more close up here. Sorry for the flare of the window in the back, but here it is. Obviously a little more close up. And I wanted to show the back because a lot of people might be wondering if you can mount this or not. And you can. There are mounting screws there. So if you just want to mount it directly on the wall, you totally can do that. And there is a Ethernet port here, but it also has Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and plug it in though. All right, guys, so it's been about 30 minutes. I've been trying to connect it with my laptop. I even tried my desktop over there, and it has not been working, but I tried it on my phone. I stopped the recording, and I tried on my phone, and it looked like it was working. So I got my backup phone here. This is an iPhone 7 that I just have spare, and I'm gonna finally connect it here just to show you guys working, just because, yeah, I was having a lot of trouble with doing it on the computer here. So if you guys have gotten one of these and you're trying to connect to the Wi-Fi with your computer, use your phone. It seems to be the only way I can do it. So let's go ahead and do that right here. All right, so it says that we're connected now and that we can reconnect to our Wi-Fi now. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, so we just got some noise there from the machine. Sounds like it's connecting. all 5 of them now have been, I guess, lit up now. So that means we're good to go, I believe. Oh, I think we got it, guys. There it is. Order 2,904. That's the correct number we're looking for. So there we go. I guess it just had to sync for a little bit. But there we go, guys. The thing works. And it took a little bit of tweaking. Like I said, if you're trying to sync it with your computer, it might not work. Turn off your ad blocker if you have it. That seemed to not even work for me. So I had to use my phone to connect to the Wi-Fi. So if that's what you're having trouble with, use an extra phone. But other than that, let's go ahead and put it in my office and let's find a home for this guy. All right, guys, check it out. This is my office where I obviously do all of my business work here. And yeah, this is where it's gonna stay. I like it because it's in the backdrop whenever I do any lives on my TikTok and stuff like that. And yeah, basically it'll update whenever we get an order or so. But yeah, that's the unboxing, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And these are fairly new. They just came out probably a week ago. So if you can get your hands on one, and of course if you can afford it, as it's a little bit pricey. This costs around $420. And then you're looking around $40 in customs. And this is just for the smaller one. They have another one that's a little bit bigger, and you can get more orders and just more numbers and stuff like that on it. But of course, if you want to order it, link will be in the description. But that's it for the video, guys. And of course, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button, guys. Take care.